Once upon a time, 4 bulls lived together in a forest. Every day, all of them would go to the same place to graze. They were very good friends. One day, a lion saw these bulls grazing together. The lion wanted to eat the bulls. So, it went to catch them. When the bulls saw the lion approaching, all 4 of them stood together and fought against it. Because all the bulls fought as one, the lion got scared and ran away. However, after a few days, the bulls started fighting among themselves. After fighting, they stopped speaking to each other and began grazing separately. The lion, seeing them divided, caught and ate the bulls one by one. Moral: unity is strength. If you like the video, subscribe now.